Hello, YouTubers. Joe Kersey here on Monday, February 22nd, 2016, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern Time. Washington's birthday, which we used to get off from school. Well, we used to get Lincoln's off from school too, but that's been amalgamated into President's Day. I went up to the Delaware County Courthouse, to the clerk of court's office this morning, a little after 9 o'clock, and got my passport application processed. And they said it was all in good order and probably should have it in about 6 weeks. So I got that done, and then on the way back, I stopped at a Jiffy Lube and got an oil change, a filter change, and they took real good care of me. 63 bucks, the 7 quarts of oil in the filter, and they actually filled up some of the front differential. Was down a pint, which so it's like, where'd that pint go? I've not noticed any overt leaks. Actually, the dealership never even checks that front differential. And they even vacuumed out the thing. Well, in the driver's seat, that had to be a bit of a challenge for their vacuum system, given all the mud and gravel and stuff in there. These guys are good. I mean, it's better than the dealership. And showed me the air filters. I want a new air filter. Well, you could probably go another year. Yeah, I mean, you're in and out in half the time, and with none of the bullshit. So, Jiffy Lube in the south side of Delaware, Ohio, on the east side of 23 South. I highly recommend them. Meanwhile, casting your eye up here to where the barn used to be, the only thing that's left up there is the platform. Yeah. I mean, there's really nothing to see up there. I mean, the poles are gone, the beams are gone, the sides gone, everything's gone. Just the platforms left. And only I alone was left to tell the tale. I love that last line of Moby Dick. Anyway, Mr. Howard, as usual, was as good as his word. And we now have us a new mailbox. Here down on the road of death. So we'll see how long that one lasts. Hey guys. These guys have been doing some surveying and checking. I'm feeling they were checking to see if anything has shifted down there, during the winter time, because they were taking, GPS elevate, they're taking shots there on all the beams and things on the bridge work. So I think that's what was today. Boy, it's windy here. It's turned windy today. Nice and still this morning. Wind's out of the east. I guess we're supposed to get some rain, fairly heavy rain in here on Wednesday and into Thursday. And maybe some snow too, but who knows? So, We watched, Paul and I watched the 7th episode of season 6 of Shameless this morning, and I recorded it with QuickTime on the computer. I have the complete series now in my hard drives, in my various external hard drives. So, I'll say bye-bye, YouTubers. Beautiful day.